This is the 750 watt RM750e manufactured by Corsair with a current MSRP of $100 US. It's a fully modular ATX power supply with a single fan mode. The power supply comes in reasonable packaging and measures 150 by 86 by 140 millimeters. Considering cable flexibility, it has an effective depth of 175 millimeters. The Corsair RM750e is accompanied by the accessories as shown and supported by a 7-year warranty. This warranty period is expected for a power supply of this class. The fully modular cables are of acceptable quality. They have plastic insulation and are moderately flexible. The provided cable set includes a single 12-volt high-power cable, allowing it to power all types of high-wattage GPUs. Linus Tech Tips Labs conducted all the following testing in an ambient temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. The full test suite included tests at extended temperature ranges available on the lab's website linked in the description. But before we get to the results, here's a message from me. Please don't sue me, Linus. Efficiency, stability, and brownout testing. The Corsair RM750e carries an 80 plus gold rating. And we measured 90% efficiency at 50% of its maximum rated load. That's equivalent to power supplies in a similar class. Throughout the full rated output power range of 750 watts, there is a 0.162 volt drop on the 12 volt rail, which is within ATX specifications and similar to most other power supplies they've tested. The rest of the output rails met ATX specifications. This stability should provide a steady platform for the operation of the other components in the computer. The peak-to-peak signal ripple of the fully loaded power supply's 12-volt rail was average for its price, wattage at 31 millivolts. The 5-volt and 3.3-volt rails had the signal ripple of 17 millivolts and 21 millivolts respectively. Modern power supplies typically have no issue complying with ATX ripple stacks, and this unit is no different. They test power supplies' resilience to momentary power drops and ripples using their burnout test that interrupts the power for a few milliseconds. This allows them to measure how long the sample can sustain without interrupting the output power. And the Corsair RM750e was measured to withstand 13 milliseconds and 14 milliseconds. Dropout at full rated load for 115 volt and 230 volt inputs respectively. This unit performs similarly to other power supplies. The Excursion test momentarily applies up to 200% of the rated load to test a power supply's ability to support components that may temporarily require more than their rated. The Corsair RM750e withstood a subset of the Excursions, but failed with others. It's compatible with most systems, but it may struggle with high-end hardware connected. The Corsair RM750e is equipped with the suite of protections as listed, providing the full suite of protections for you and your equipment. We measured the overpower reaction to engage at a maximum of 131% of its rated load, while the 12-volt rail alone is capable of 81 amps, 130% of its rating. This is equivalent to similarly rated power supplies, offering good protection against component faults, while also allowing the power draw to slightly exceed the official rating. They can recommend the Corsair RM750e because of its good load and line regulation and its resilience to cross loads. For full specifications and test results, follow the link to the product page on the LTT Labs website. Thank you for watching.